Hey everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about paper towels. And some of you are going to go, paper towels, that's a waste of money. Not necessarily. I'm going to give you some examples why you should be having paper towels in your preps. One of the important things to consider is that is the rules of three. And the second rule of three is 3 days without water, the average person dies. And if you're in a disaster situation, a SHTF situation, whatever it is where water is at a premium, you don't want to be wasting drinking water to wash out hand towels to get them clean to use again. That's where paper towels come in handy. And paper towels have a lot of other uses as well. One of the things I do, I'll fold up a couple paper towels, put it on a small plate, put my fully cooked Jimmy Dean sausages on there, toss it in the microwave, and that way it absorbs all the grease and fat out of it. And I'm going to kind of give it a little squish when I'm all done. And I save those for fire starters for the wood burning stove. They work great. But paper towels, think about everything you might want to think about using other towels in the kitchen for, but you don't want to have to deal with cleaning them up. Well, here's something else too. Suppose one of the kids, throws up somewhere. You're going to use the other towels and have to wash it, or do you want something you can just clean it up with, throw it away, and be done with the mess? That is a reason to store paper towels in your preps. All right. And I bet you can come up with a lot more ideas about why you should have paper towels in your preps. And if you do, please put them in the comment section down below. All righty? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, paper towels, and other essentials you need to survive. Why? This is why.